Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about network days in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Network days allows users to determine the number of working days from a start date to an end date. This does not include weekends. Now, there is also an option to include a list of holidays so that you can disregard those in your final number of working days count. Let's go ahead to an example. Let's go and type network days. Then, we should click on a start date. After that, by using a comma to separate them, let's go and select an end date. As for the holidays, we should probably include them. If the holidays land on weekends, then there should be an observed holiday set by the government. Be sure to determine those and try to add them in your holiday list so you can be very exact with the number of working days that you are going to compute. Let's select the holiday list. If you are going to use this formula for the rest of the months, let's make sure that we lock the list of holidays by adding a $sign in front of the letter and number of the cell. Let's close the function and press enter. As you can see, for the month of January, we have 20 working days. Let's go ahead and drag it all the way down to December. See, it's that easy. Microsoft Excel considers the list of holidays in its computation so it could give an exact answer. Let's get the sum of this. And there you go. This is the total number of days that you are going to work for the year of 2023. One thing to note about is that these cells should be in proper format. The dates should be in the dates format, while the number of working days should be formatted as general or text. And that is how you use the network days in Microsoft Excel.